Bangladesh ended the three-match T20 series against Pakistan with a humiliating defeat. Despite going into the field with a mission of whitewashing, Litton's team did not get any attention in this match. Chasing a target of 179 runs in the third and final T20I of the series in Mirpur on Thursday, July 24. The host lost by a huge margin of 73 runs. The Litton's innings ended at 104 runs after losing all their wickets in 16 overs and 4 balls. The series ended 2-1. Chasing the runs, the Littons were under the onslaught of Pakistan bowlers from the very beginning before adding any runs to the team's account. Tanzil Hasan Tamim was bowled behind the cut by Salman Mirza. In the next over, Captain Litton Das was bowled by Fahim Ashraf. He scored 8 runs of 8 balls. The red and green lost 3 more wickets in the power play and were eliminated from the match. Mehdi Hassan Miraz scored only 9 runs of 8 balls. Zakir Ali scored 1 run of 2 balls and Sheikh Mehdi departed for a duck. Shamim Hossain and Mohammad Naeem failed to control the situation during the disaster. Shamim was bowled inside edge by Salman Ali for 5 runs of 5 balls. On the other hand, Naeem, who came out to open, made 10 runs of 17 balls. In that, the Littons lost 7 wickets for 41 runs and confirmed their defeat. In the end, Mohammad Saifuddin remained unbeaten on 35 runs of 34 balls with 2 sixes and 2 fours. The margin of defeat was reduced in this innings. Salman took the highest wickets for Pakistan with 3 wickets for 19 runs. Fahim Ashraf and Mohammad Nawaz took 2 wickets each. Pakistan rose the toss and elected to bat on this day and scored 178 runs for the loss of 7 wickets in the allotted 20 overs. Shahibzada Farhan, Hassan Nawaz and Mohammad Nawaz stormed with the bat. Farhan, who got a chance in place of Fakhur Zaman, scored 63 runs in 41 balls with 6 fours and 5 sixes. Hassan Nawaz scored 33 runs in 17 balls with 3 sixes and 1 four. And Mohammad Nawaz scored 27 runs in 16 balls with 2 sixes and 2 four. Taskir Ahmed took the highest wickets for Bangladesh, 3 wickets taken for 38 runs. Naseem Ahmed took 2 for 22 runs. Naseem Ahmed was very economic bowler today. After winning the first T20 by 7 wickets, Bangladesh had already secured the series with an 8 runs win in the second match. Zakir Ali Oni, player of the series. Bangladesh and Pakistan, this series ended.